Get your clips. Screen record this video. Overlay it under the last clip. Zoom in. It should look like this. Select to remove the green. This is how it looks. Export it to our library. Go back to the Edit on CapCut and delete the overlay and last clip. I added a filter. I also added the audio. Then add the exported clip as an overlay at the end. Cut the overlay to the end to the bleed transition. Don't mind how orange lol. This is better. Select the blue part to remove. I added an effect by the way for the first part. Results.